Hey super wow cool gang! Today we look into the mesmerizing phenomenon of diamond rain on the ice giants Uranus and Neptune. In this captivating video, we explore the mind-blowing science behind how these distant planets create sparkling showers of diamonds deep within their atmospheres. Imagine a world where it rains diamonds. On the ice giants Uranus and Neptune, this isn't science fiction. It's reality. Let's dive into the cosmic magic that makes diamonds fall from the skies. Uranus and Neptune are far-out planets, about 2.7 and 4.4 billion kilometers from Earth. Unlike rocky Earth, these ice giants have thick atmospheres loaded with methane, a gas rich in carbon. That carbon is the key to our diamond story. Deep inside these planets, things get wild. Pressures are millions of times stronger than Earth's atmosphere, and temperatures hit thousands of degrees. Here, methane molecules split, freeing carbon atoms. Under this extreme squeeze, those atoms bond tightly, crystallizing into diamonds. These sparkling gems don't just float around. They rain through the planet, plunging toward the core. Some scientists even think they pile up in diamond oceans or form glittering diamond bergs floating in liquid layers. How cool is that? Scientists have recreated these conditions in labs, zapping carbon with lasers to make tiny diamonds. This proves diamond rain is real. It also tells us Uranus and Neptune are cosmic jewel factories, reshaping how we see our solar system. So, next time you gaze at the stars, picture Uranus and Neptune, where diamonds fall like rain. Nature's ultimate bling. Here are some more amazing things we know about these two planets, starting with Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun and the third largest planet in the solar system. It also may have the coldest interior, emitting far less heat than its counterparts Jupiter, Saturn, and Neptune. It is known as an ice giant because it contains more ices, including water, methane, and ammonia, than Jupiter or Saturn. And while NASA's learned a great deal about this planet over the last 3 decades, there's a lot more waiting to be discovered. NASA's Voyager 2 spacecraft flew by Uranus, making it the first and only spacecraft to visit this distant planet. Previous observations showed that Uranus has a unique tilt up its axis, so it rotates almost on its side, causing its poles to actually face the Sun. No other planet in our solar system has this feature in its quick sprint past Uranus. Voyager discovered 10 new moons orbiting the planet that had not been seen before. And in the decades since, even more have been found during its encounter. Voyager also saw new faint rings explore the complex magnetosphere. Voyager only briefly views the planet's 5 major moons: Ariel, Miranda, Titanium, Oberon, and Embryo. These moons have a wide variety of terrains and geological features, some of which indicate possible subsurface oceans. Small Miranda has chaotic terrain with deep canyons and tall mountains, but is likely now frozen solid. Ariel appears to have the youngest surface with few impact craters, while Titania has a very old surface. The lack of large craters and presence of a large canyon system may indicate ancient resurfacing. Oberon is also covered with craters and has valleys and large mountains. Embryo's surface is the darkest of the Iranian moons, and it sports a strange polar ring. The origin of this ring is still a mystery, but scientists believe that it may have been formed by an icy impact, since Voyager ground-based telescopes and the Hubble Space Telescope have played the leading role in our understanding of Uranus since 1992. Hubble has watched the slowly changing Uranian seasons, including changes in its unusual pale blue color and polar hazes. Telescopes have also revealed that Uranus has a complex weather system with massive storms that can last for months or even years, with wind speeds over 500 miles per hour. The ongoing search for ocean worlds and life beyond Earth makes Uranus an exciting target for the James Webb Space Telescope, and for a future up-close exploration. New data will help scientists to understand the formation and evolution of Uranus, as well as its moons and rings, and provide clues as to whether liquid water may reside beneath their icy crust. The fascinating properties of this planet, discovered in just the span of a few decades, reveal that unlocking mysteries here can help scientists learn even more about our solar system and our place in it. Neptune reaches its highest point in the sky around midnight. This makes evenings in September the best time to grab your telescope or high-powered binoculars and use a sky chart or sky watching software to view this planet that is 30 times farther from the Sun than Earth. When you find this elusive planet that appears as a mere dot in most amateur telescopes, remember that you're actually viewing a planet with a thick atmosphere that is composed of massive amounts of hydrogen and helium, with traces of other gases. That atmosphere surrounds a solid interior of rock and a warm mantle of dense fluid deep beneath the clouds. In 1989, Voyager 2 provided our closest glimpse of Neptune, passing about 3,000 miles, or about 5,000 kilometers above its north pole. The pictures Voyager 2 sent back gave scientists a new snapshot of weather in the extreme, including a dark and violent vortex that looked similar to the Great Red Spot on Jupiter. Since then, observatories such as the Hubble Space Telescope have given us additional observations of the planet from afar. NASA's scientists have learned, for instance, that unlike Jupiter, the Neptune vortex disappears for a time, and then similar storms appear later. Scientists have determined that Neptune has seasons such as those on Earth, but that these are much longer, spanning decades instead of months. By studying these seasons on a continual basis, scientists look to gain a better understanding of the similarities and differences of atmospheres on other planets, including right here on Earth. So consider taking a look at the ice giant planet Neptune in September, and you'll see why it captures the imagination of so many scientists and astronomers. If you enjoyed this episode, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons for more super, wow, and cool facts. That's all for now. See you on the next video.